Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the video screen orientation on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and go to the settings icon at the upper side of the page. And in the video section you can find the third option, video screen orientation, and here you can find fifth option, the automatic, portrait, landscape, landscape reverse, and last look, the orientation. And just select one, for example the landscape, and just click to the circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.